Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to factory reset your JBL PartyLight Beam. To factory reset it, you'll need to press and hold on the light button, the sun button right here, for over 10 seconds. So let's do it. Just start pressing and holding, and let's hold for over 10 seconds. That's quite a long time, so you'll need to be patient. The light will start lighting up differently than colorfully, and now it is reset. And yeah, that's about it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.